Alright guys, just got the window all framed in. This window was nice. It had a groove right in the plastic, so the 3/4 inch board just slots right in there and makes a beautiful finish. So yeah, that's all in. Got the holes, screw holes puttied. I know it wasn't the ideal. I screwed it just because there was quite a bit of tension on everything. So that's in. I didn't show you it, but I have to do basically the same sort of thing for the door. And I'll take you along in the milling process of that. All right. Need about 1 3/4. You should always check everywhere, because see, there's 2 inches. So a few of my pieces will be different. I didn't frame this wall. I put the door in square, but the door wall was not square. All right, so I got them milled to width and thickness, just raw 3/4 inch. So now I got the tricky part of making it go from 2 inches thick up here to 1.5, I believe it was, down here. Pretty much on both sides. They're both slightly different, but they both have a taper. So let's try to figure that out. Okay, so I got my 2 pieces laid out. Can you see the marks there? I know it's kind of hard to see. This part here, I got to cut off on both. That's the bottom, and then it tapers out. So basically the full width that it is right now at the top. So I'm going to cut these. I'm just going to rough it out on the bandsaw close to the line. And then I'm just going to give it a pass on the jointer just to smoothen that out. And I'll get back to you guys when that's done. I got the other 2 vertical ones in. Now I'm just doing the top one. Figured I won't show everything. It's all the same crap. Nice snug fit. A little too high there. Gotta be level. Check what the gap is. Just jamming basically pieces of scrap. Those shims. They work actually very well. Basically make sure she's level again. Still good. That's it. There she blows. Both sides done. Basically flush with the wall. Now all I gotta do is a trim. Catch you back when that happens.